In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default search engine to either Microsoft Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Yahoo on your Firefox browser. By default, Firefox search engine is set to search via Google. If you want to change to another search engine, just head over to the three lines on top of your browser and then click on it. From here, select the settings option. From here, look for search option, and search option is here. Click on it. Now, as you can see under search, the default search engine is Google. To change it, just click on it and select whatever search engine you wish. Currently, apart from Google, Firefox engine allows users to search via Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Wikipedia. So select your preferred search engine, and once you have selected, it will be done. Now, if you go and open a new tab, you realize now the search engine has changed from Google to your current search engine. And now when you make any searches, you will be making via this search engine. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.